Using cash on DoorDash is a convenient option for customers who prefer not to use digital payment methods. To properly use cash on DoorDash, follow these steps. First, open the DoorDash app and select the restaurant you want to order from. Browse the menu and add the items you want to purchase to your cart. When you are ready to check out, tap the checkout button and select cash as your payment method. You will be prompted to confirm that you have selected cash and that you understand the driver will collect the payment upon delivery. Next, review your order summary to ensure everything is correct, including the subtotal, delivery fee, and any additional fees. You will also see the total amount due, which you will need to pay to the driver in cash. When the driver arrives with your order, have the exact amount of cash ready to pay. The driver will collect the payment and provide you with a receipt. It is essential to note that not all restaurants on DoorDash accept cash payments. So it is crucial to check if the restaurant you have chosen accepts cash before placing your order. Additionally, be aware that some areas may have specific regulations or restrictions on using cash for food delivery. To avoid any issues, it is recommended to have the exact amount of cash ready, as drivers may not have change. By following these steps and being aware of the key concepts and best practices, you can properly use cash on DoorDash and enjoy a seamless food delivery experience. Using cash on DoorDash is a straightforward process that requires some planning and attention to detail. By understanding how to use cash on DoorDash, you can take advantage of the convenience and flexibility that this payment method offers.